Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying account eligibility and collecting your data file so you can upload immediately. Open Google Ads, navigate to Tools and Settings Audience Manager, and choose Customer Lists. Once there, click the plus button to create a new list. Name it clearly so you recognize the audience later. Make sure your CSV uses the required column headers and contains valid contact data. This step matters because clean, correctly formatted input reduces rejections and improves match rates when Google compares identifiers. Now you'll upload and map fields so Google can match users properly. Click Upload File, pick your CSV, and map each column to email, phone, or name exactly. Then set membership duration, 30 to 540 days depending on campaign goals, and pick whether it's for targeting or observation. If you hash the file with SHA-256, select that option. Otherwise, let Google hash during processing. These choices affect who sees your ads and for how long, so pick settings aligned with conversion windows and privacy needs. Finish by applying the list to the campaign or ad group and monitoring results. That's how you measure success. Once applied, wait for Google to process the list. This can take a few hours, and then check the match rate and audience size in Audience Manager. If the list shows low matches or upload errors, reopen your CSV and confirm UTF-8 encoding, correct header labels, and valid contact formats, then re-upload. If problems persist, try a smaller test file to isolate formatting issues or contact support for account-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.